Prime Minister Andrew Holness is fighting to erase a corruption investigation that could end his career. But what if winning this battle means rewriting Jamaica's anti-corruption laws forever? Hey, patriotic internet friends and family, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're diving into the legal showdown of the year. Prime Minister Andrew Holness is taking on the very watchdog meant to keep politicians in check, the Integrity Commission, with a report accusing him of unexplained millions. Holness is now challenging not just the findings, but the entire system of anti-corruption laws. Will he win and rewrite the rules, or will this be his biggest political battle yet? Stick around. This is about to get intense. Welcome all patriotic Jamaicans. The movement continues. Make we get into it now. Let's kick it off. Andrew Holness versus the Integrity Commission. Imagine being the Prime Minister of a country under investigation for your own financial affairs and deciding, nah, let's just take this to court. Well, that's exactly what's happening in Jamaica. Andrew Holness versus the Integrity Commission. It's like watching a political soap opera. Prime Minister Andrew Holness, a man known for keeping his cool, is now at odds with the Integrity Commission, I see. Why? Because they dropped a bombshell report in Parliament on September 17, 2024, accusing him of some unexplained financial discrepancies from his 2021 filings. This investigation has been going on for years, and Wholeness isn't having it anymore. The battle lines are drawn, and it's about to get very legal. Wholeness isn't just contesting a report. Oh no, he's questioning the very law that holds public officials accountable. What if I told you that, if successful, this could shake the IC's investigations into 8 other parliamentarians? Stay tuned. Enter King's Counsel Michael Hilton, former Solicitor General and now the lead for the IC's defense. On the other side, Henlin Gibson is repping Wholeness and his entire empire, which includes Imperium Holdings, Positive Jamaica Foundation, and ADMAT Incorporated. These names sound like they came out of a Bond movie, but trust me, this is as real as it gets. Timeline of key events. 1. September 5, 2024, the IC submits its final report to Parliament. 2. September 17, 2024, the report is publicly released, spotlighting Wholeness's mysterious financial discrepancies. 3. September 30, 2024, Wholeness files a judicial review to challenge the IC's findings and the constitutionality of sections of the Corruption Prevention Act, CPA. Now here's where it gets interesting. Wholeness isn't just fighting the report, he's also challenging the Corruption Prevention Act, which could shift the burden of proof back onto the Integrity Commission. But there's more. If successful, Wholeness could get all investigations into his finances terminated. But wait, it doesn't stop there. Wholeness's demands. Wholeness is making 21 declarations/orders in his case. Here are some of the juiciest. 1. Quash the August 30 investigation report. 2. Exonerate him for his 2021 and 2022 filings. 3. Declare the IC's referral to the Financial Investigations Division, FID, as illegal. Oh, and he also wants the Integrity Commission Act, passed under his own administration in 2017, to be struck down for lacking independence. Talk about irony, highlighting key financial figures. The IC claims Wholeness can't explain a cool 1.9 million in his 2021 filings. Wholeness, on the other hand, calls this claim unlawful and says the threshold for illicit enrichment wasn't even met. Now we wait for the Supreme Court to set a hearing date. But here's the million-dollar question, literally. Will Wholeness manage to strike down the IC's report and even the Corruption Prevention Act? And what does this mean for public accountability in Jamaica? I guess we'll have to find out when the gavel drops. Judicial reviews in Jamaica. What is a judicial review? A process where the court reviews the legality of actions taken by public bodies. In this case, Wholeness wants the court to decide if the IC overstepped its bounds and whether the whole process was ultra vires, a fancy term for not authorized by law. Why this matters? If Wholeness succeeds, it could set a precedent for challenging not just the IC but other regulatory bodies. This case could redefine the power balance between the government and its watchdogs. Here's a summary of the key takeaways. IC versus PM Wholeness. The Prime Minister is under fire for unexplained financial discrepancies from 2021. Key figures. The IC flagged 1.9 million, which Wholeness says doesn't trigger the illicit enrichment law. Constitutional challenge. Wholeness is challenging sections of the Corruption Prevention Act, which could affect 8 other parliamentarians. 21 declarations/orders. Wholeness is pulling no punches in this legal challenge, even going after the IC itself. Timeline. Key dates include the release of the IC's report in September 2024 and Wholeness's judicial review filing on September 30. If you're as hooked on this legal drama as we are, hit that subscribe button for more updates. Will Andrew Holness win his battle against the Integrity Commission? Let us know what you think in the comments. And don't forget to like and share this video. Stay tuned because this legal showdown is far, far from over. Here are some questions that you might have along with the answers to address your concerns. Question number 1. Is Prime Minister Wholeness really guilty of corruption? Answer. Wholeness denies any wrongdoing and claims that the Integrity Commission's investigation is flawed. He's even challenging the very laws that allowed the probe to happen. The court will decide if the Commission's actions were fair or if this is a political witch hunt. Question number 2. What does this mean for the future of Jamaica's anti-corruption laws? Answer. If Wholeness wins, it could change the Corruption Prevention Act, making it harder to hold public officials accountable. It's not just about Wholeness, it's about how the country handles corruption cases moving forward. Question number 3. Could this impact Wholeness's position as Prime Minister? Answer. If the court rules against him, it could severely damage his credibility and political future. However, if he wins, it may strengthen his position, but at what cost to Jamaica's anti-corruption efforts? Question number 4. Why does Wholeness want to quash the Integrity Commission's investigation? Answer. Wholeness argues that the Commission acted unlawfully and its report is inaccurate. He also feels that the Corruption Prevention Act places an unfair burden on him to prove his wealth is legitimate. Question number 5. What happens if the court strikes down parts of the anti-corruption laws? Answer. This could weaken the ability of bodies like the Integrity Commission to hold politicians accountable for their financial dealings. It's a high-stakes legal battle that could reshape the fight against corruption in Jamaica. Question number 6. Why does this matter to the average Jamaican? Answer. Corruption affects everyone. If politicians aren't held accountable, it could lead to more misuse of public funds, fewer resources for the public, and a deepening mistrust in the government. Question number 7. How long will this legal battle last? Answer. Judicial reviews can take months or even years, depending on how complex the case is. This means the fight between Wholeness and the Integrity Commission could drag on, leaving the country in suspense. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And of course, don't forget to like. PM Wholeness try to win this case on a technicality. PM Wholeness claims that the 1.9 million what the IC did flag him for does not meet the threshold that would warrant the alarm for alleged illicit enrichment. So I'm gonna try to beat this whole thing on a technicality. But if he wins this case, it will set a very bad precedence, because now it will allow for even more corruption take place in Jamaica amongst our political officials who are in parliament. So if you think our politicians them corrupt and then thief, make Andrew Holness ever win this, it will get worse. Because now there will be a loophole. So basically, they might create a loophole for themselves. So they have the power to challenge the law. The law is not a shackle. Remember PJ did say that a long time back in idea. It's not a shackle for them because at least 95% of our politicians, they are all lawyers. And then keep that a secret. Majority of our politicians are lawyers. Don't you find that strange? So that empowers our politicians to bend, not break, bend the law to their will. So when we have these lawmakers and make law, them will make the laws them with loophole for benefit them so them can escape. Them now go build the law for benefit the country and the economy and the people. No, them will make it for benefit themselves at all time. So basically Andrew Holness is trying to limit the power and the reach of regulatory bodies like the IC and the FID. You basically put a muzzle on the watchdog. We're supposed to watch all public officials to make sure, say, yo, look, them a keep their finances above board. This could never be a good precedence or a good look. And Prime Minister Andrew Holness bringing the IC to court even shine a big light on the situation even more, and it negatively affects him more than the IC because in the event of him trying to clear his name of these alleged allegations, him only magnify the situation even greater and more. It looks you make more guilty. Yes. So bad enough you try to clean or clear your name and protect your reputation. Your action says you're guilty because challenging the IC's report and I bring them to court, I sue them to do their job. Like really? Come on, PM Wholeness. This could never be a good look for you. Never. Power corrupts. So you only a fight for power and a fight for stay in office so you can win the next election. You don't care about the people of Jamaica and you don't care about Jamaica. This is all about you. I try to stay in a power. That's all you fight for. So you can continue the allegedly doing what you were doing all along. Again, had this been any first world country, immediately this whole situation, the president for any first world country, you would have to resign, and that's no joke. And here we have our prime minister are doing utmost best not to resign, when I expect that from them. Trust me, our politicians, they will fight tooth and nail. Even when you catch their hand in a cookie jar, they will fight tooth and nail. They say it was me and pull off a shaggy. We, the Jamaican people, we demand answers. We want transparency from our government. We need to start hold all public officials accountable and responsible. Yes, we need to start put Jamaica first, not the political party. You see, the problem is a lot of people get so emotionally invested when it comes to their two favorite parties, not knowing that is to the detriment of your future and your children's future. So while these political officials are allegedly illicitly enriching themselves and create financial wealth for their future generations through alleged means of corruption, you follow back at them out of feelings and emotions, and your family and your generation will forever be poor and destitute. That's why we need to start put Jamaica and the future of Jamaica first. We want a better Jamaica for our future generations. Facts over feelings. People don't think clear when it comes to their two favorite political parties. Both of them are equally corrupt, equally has no morals, values, principles, ethics, or values. The only thing what people can do is say your party do the same thing, because it's what them are same thing. The key to going forward is the mindset of Jamaican need to shift. Think Jamaica first. Yes, think nationalism. Jamaica first. We don't need no corrupt political officials. Whether you have a criminal record or you don't have a criminal record, we don't need no corrupt political officials. When is it okay, or when has it become okay for someone with a criminal record to enter public office? The JLP did it and it was very wrong, but the people allowed it. So the people is to be blamed, not the politicians. And now when Mark Golden do it even worse now, because this is 2024, this is not 1994. People are much more aware now through the means of social media. If you want to enter politics, try live a clean lifestyle. You see me? Don't go commit no crime and end up going to prison twice. And then you want to come talk about, redeem myself and me do the time and me pay for the crime. So now me can't go enter politics. No, I don't say work. We need a better Jamaica. Seriously. We can't continue down this path. It's been 62 years and nothing change. We need a better Jamaica. People just want to enter politics to get rich or as a means to get rich quick. Because if being a attempted drug smuggler and drug dealer fail, why not enter politics? Me get rich quicker and then me become a lawmaker plus me a lawyer. So guess what? The law is not a shackle. Me can get away with even more corruption and make your corruption even legal. Me can even challenge the IC and take them to court because I'm a lawmaker. So to hell with the people of Jamaica and what them think about me. You understand? Yes, I am the Prime Minister. What I say goes. It's my way or no way. Come on, we can't continue down this path of self-destruction. When politicians are lawyers, it makes them evil geniuses. Think about that for a second. Did PM Wholeness just break the law to protect himself? Jamaica's anti-corruption laws under attack. PM Wholeness versus the Integrity Commission exposed. What PM Wholeness doesn't want you to know about his wealth. Is Jamaica's Prime Minister hiding something? The legal battle that could change Jamaica forever. Why is PM Wholeness desperate to shut down the Integrity Commission? Secrets, money, power, and corruption. What's really going on behind PM Wholeness's legal battle? Is Jamaica's Prime Minister in trouble? Is Andrew Holness really fighting corruption or hiding from it? What is Wholeness trying to stop? Will Jamaica's Integrity Commission finally expose Wholeness? Why is PM Wholeness afraid of this investigation? If you enjoyed this breakdown, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives. Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and hit that notification bell. See you in the next one. One love, Jamaica.